This just came in the mail. This is, or should be, a Colt Walker black powder revolver, which I ordered from Midway, USA, after I read the book Revolver about the history of Samuel Colt and the Colt Company and Colt revolvers. So I'm pretty excited about this. I've always wanted a Walker. So let's see what this looks like. Well, it looks like the box came through with minimal damage. This is a huge revolver. Let's see here. Alright, I had to wait quite a while to get it because they were shut down in Italy. Oh, nice paperwork. Whoa, look at this. Oh, this thing is big and heavy. Wow. It's a monster. Samuel Colt designed this with input from the Texas Rangers, and whoa, man, this is beautiful. He said it was so big it required a Texan to fire it. Beautiful color case hardening. I hope this shows up well in the video. Oh man, I am one happy camper. So I know a little bit about shooting conventional cartridge firearms. I'm going to have to educate myself about firing black powder, but I've got friends who know about that, Paul and Dwayne, and we'll have future blogs on taking this to the range and loading it and shooting it. Thanks very much, and make sure to check out our Tales of the Gun page on exhaustednotes.us.